Hey, man. You alright? Hey, you know what? I got some clothes. You want them? Alright, cool. Let me pull over here. Yeah, check it out, man. These look like they'll fit you too. Decided to take it right out today and help someone, man. I seen you right there. I said, you know what, this man looks like he needs some clothes, man. So I give you a hand, brother. Check it out, man. There's like 3 pairs of pants in here. It'll probably your size. You know, and there's some shorts, but you know, something, you know, keep you warm, bro. And you can have the bag too. All right.
You have like a couple dollars?
You know what, man? Yeah, I got a couple bucks, dude, for sure.
Maybe I'm trying to put maybe $5. I'm going to go to Anaheim, but I have to catch the bus.
Yeah. No, I get it, man. For sure, I can help you out with that, bro. No problem. Yeah. No, I love this bike. For sure, man.
Alright.
Here's $5, man. Go get something to eat, you know what I mean?
Alright.
Have a good night, man.
Hey, man. Hey, I was gonna tell you, you want a burger or something?
Sure, brother.
Yeah. I thought about you last time I seen you, man. You made my day, man. You made my day with that smile. I was like, man, I should have got you something.
Hey, what is this thing right here? Oxygen? Oh, camera.
Oh yeah. It's cool. Don't worry, I won't put you anywhere.
No, I ain't tripping.
Oh, okay, man.
I got a good joke for you. What do you call a dog with no legs?
I don't know.
It don't matter what you call him, he ain't gonna come.
I got you.
It's like a cigarette, you can take him out for a drag once in a while. Right on, brother.
All right, man. You have a good one.
I ain't even do it.
Yeah, man. Right, mate. Take it easy. That's good.
Thank you for that.
It's alright.
Appreciate it. You didn't have to get off your bike.
Nah, I was looking at you. I felt bad, so. No, mate.
Appreciate it.
It's alright. Take it easy.
Cheers,
Petrol cap, mate. Your petrol cap's open.
Oh shit, thanks mate.
You want me to fasten it up for you?
Oh, just press it. Oh, thanks mate. Yeah.
Your actual screw bits are not in.
This guy looks like he needs some help.
Hey, bro, need some help?
I think I'm good.
What?
I think I'm good.
No, you sure?
Thank you, though.
You need help pushing it or anything, or?
I think I'm good.
Okay, that's an oldie but a goodie, huh?
Yeah.
Smells burnt up.
Yeah. So. Let's see if it's gonna start.
Good. Alright.
Fresh $100 bill. I'm gonna do a little bit of magic here, right? You guys ready for this? Abracadabra. Boom! 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 Alright, 25 bucks, McDonald's, Denny's, Taco Bell. Let's do this. Shout out to my boy Caesar. How are you guys? Ugh. I'm gonna hook you guys up a little bit. There's a $25 gift card to McDonald's. So any McDonald's, you got 25 bucks. Okay. See you guys. Brucey! How you doing?
Hey, man.
I got something for you. What is it? I got a gift card to Denny's, man. 25 bucks. Any Denny's? You go in there, man. It's on me.
All right.
So enjoy it. Get a Grand Slam breakfast or something, man. It sounds good. Yeah, he needs to pick me up. Hey man, how you doing today?
Oh, alright.
Alright?
Yeah, I just recently got back from another city. I was trying to get I think I'm actually from the actual border.
Yeah, I don't have any cash, man. But I got a $25 gift card to Taco Bell.
Yeah. I see.
Taco Bell, 25 bucks, brother.
Yeah, it works.
Huh? No. So enjoy it, man.
$25.
25 bucks, man.
All right, right on. Let's go.
There you go. See ya. Cousin Dave! Hey man, how you doing today? Sorry, I don't mean to wake you. I don't mean to wake you up, brother. But I got something for you though. Check it out, man. $25 to Denny's. So you can go eat whatever you gotta eat, alright? Have a good one. He's probably like, what the f?
I was here just a few minutes ago, and I asked the girl where La Paz was, and she said 4 Light.
It's gonna be behind the gas station.
So the Elks, is the Elks on the other side of the street?
Elks is gonna be on the right hand side on Marguerite. This is Marguerite right here.
Right.
You're gonna keep going down, and you're gonna pass La Paz, and it's gonna pass the gas station. There's gonna be a little bit more down, and it's gonna be on the right hand side.
I thought it was on this side of the street, and that's why I made the U-turn.
Oh no! If you just go ahead and go out this exit right here.
The one that I have to go way back down first.
Do you want to follow me out, and you can go on Marguerite?
I'll follow you gladly. I've been all over this.
There you go.
Go ahead first and make a U-turn and get behind us. That's fine. Just go right here and make a U-turn. I'm gonna get out right here just in case she doesn't hit me. Damn it. Like the motorcycle cops do. That's how they practice. They have a rope next to each other, like a rubber band. And they have to like make sharp turns with that shit, dude. It's so crazy. But I forgot exactly where it is, but we're actually going one up the hill, so it's okay.
Oh, hey, thanks a lot.
No problem. You have a great day.
Thank you, you too.
No problem.